Psalm 37 late number som thum lesagi aneu thum panina kwa zong sim ni ngei to pa muangin la gam ta thoin gam nuwa matengin la thu manin omin to pa songa lungkimin amain na de na hong pe ding hi to pa tunga na vai tenga pin ama muangin amain hong sem ding hi amain nang ma dik na khowak bangin nang ma thuman na ni tang bangin hong lang sak ding hi to pa ma ya khol di de in la lungduai takin ngakin ahi na adau pai pa tung le sian na bol pa tunga kilung so tom sakin he na pan ki khamin la sin so na nu siain nang ma kilung so tom sakin tuain sian na be ka hong pai pi dingi bangayam chi le migilo te ki pose dinga ayang in to pa ngak te in leitung alwa dingu hi akamal po papa sian in thupang piak sakta hen na tu volai ina kongen som pen alimong lakleng no interest den chiang sim khom ni na dot na ke ya dinga dot na questions bangza hiam momina tom chik chik inong dong ningin ma khana abai pen pen ong dong ma sa pen ningai very easy pen a question to me is Zani a question ma Zani question and then Q&A done pen here how do you love the people who hurt you by forgiving them and forgetting the hurts. That's not easy. But you can forgive them. Not by your name, but in the name of Christ. Mo. Jesu minto mai sak ding. Okay. Number one. Abay so pen here na omgige. What would you do after your retirement? My gosh. I'm going to write, number one, I'm going to write books. Number two, and number two, I'm going to enjoy my grandchildren. So that's an easy answer. Tuhun US kang no te bangki sampe na itam 3 question khana in kwan nu le pa to ki zop na mo lom le gwal to ki zop na mo na sep na akichian nei mo aveka nu le pa to ki zom lom le gwal to ki zom na sep kichian nei ding mo so what would you say to your younger self chi chiang to younger person chi na him le ke lom mo I will try to live a good life so that you can follow me ma that's a good way to put it nu le pa te ki kala buaina a om te nu le pa te tunga thukhen na a om chileng unawa buaina om te akwa zo in thuak dinga koi chi thukhen ding yam unaw kala buaina pen Chris anei zo ina mai sak dingin ke ong hoi som ning ong it ve ning chi ding ma unaw kala Jesus ngei na Jesus dan ai manina tua unaw kala ke bang nong chi zong ken Jesus min to ong it ning Jesus min tong mai sang ning chi ding hi ai ina I don't know whether you can see this the front line you don't see it's a small one 30 a book of letters ma this is the love letters that we sent between me and Lucy wow This is from 1986 to. Okay. Anyway. Well, so it's very thick. ทูเป็นก็คิดเห็นจะ30 years ก็ celebrate นิวก็ตาปาเตนิว Daniel เลโตชีนะก็ไล่กิขากูส่งทุมเตลเขียนมั่งส่งทุม love letters that we have written to one another 30 ตัวเต็งเตลเขียน and put some family photos and กลุ่มส่งทุมจินหลบนาก็กิไลขากูก็นุ่งอักตั้งว่าไลก็กิไลขากูอะไรบุยเวตัวฮีนะก็ปีเป็นกว่ามากี่โฮมจะหินนอนหลงมั้งหางเบล we publish only 100 copies and this is not for a market but a sample ดีงากงโตอยู่หินนะin กงเย็นนปูเปนะฮีเลกีนาเป็นเสียงทูตะกะกีเทฮีคริสเตียนตะกะกีเทฮีมั้งกะตาปาเตอุนก็ไล่ขากเตวอเวกาซิมขี้ในเวอินะก็ไฟละตุนจงอเวกาเกมเมมออินนี่ขันนี่เจียงกัดตูเตอุนจงซิมดีไงกับบุเล็กกับปีเตกิไล่ขากเสียนะซิมดีไว้มันก็ตัวเป็น in family focus นุนตากดิ้งlegacy อิตาเตอิตูเตนอจุยเทดิ้งตัวเก็บดิ้งจีเมอตัวมันก็ว่าดิ้งเบลไล่พวกมันพาหีดตัวจงนั่นน่ะเตลดิ้งอุดเยมั้งตัวนี้อีกอย่างสมเป็น oh my gosh เอาไปกินดอกกินเด็กเกย์เดียวเว้นมั้งอากิซีฟเทเดียม youth and Rome สวกเกย์มั้งmaybe romantic ทูเป็น youth and romance เฮียมั้ง youth and romance อินะฮิซิมคอมเลยเบลก็อุทีนะสไลด์เป็นนะบวยหอยเลยพมอกเกยินจินว่าไรอะหอยยินที่ละมาองเสียงเข็นเกยเวนมั้งOh, okay. All right. Let's read together. 1, 2, 3. How to have fun without alcohol, talk without cell phones, love without conditions, dreams without drugs, smile without selfie. Ma. ตัวนี้นะ youth and romance ตำเราเห็นดิ้งอินตัวลายดิมนุอินจงตอมจิกเสียดิ้งไหนมั้ง What is a Christian marriage? A question is, what is Christian marriage? Christian marriage is loyalty. Thank you. And Christian marriage is loyalty and what? Submission and Christ center. Oh, that's a good one. Purity. Yes, thank you. Because my ear is not very sharp. Purity. Oh yeah. And what else? Oh. Christian marriage is between male and female. Oh, thank you. I didn't realize that. กว่าคุยลายยำขัดนะดาลาสทุสินนายยำขัดis นาซีดิ้งอุบังเดย์สิเลยนุ่มไม่มาฮิเลมอสิอาทีซีดิ้งไงเลยนุ่มไม่มาฮิเลมอสิอาทีมอตัวมัน okay let's read together this Um, let's read the whole thing more. 1, 2, 3. A Christian marriage is a total commitment of two people to the person of Jesus Christ and to each other. It is a commitment in which there is no holding back of anything. Marriage is a pledge of mutual fidelity. It is a partnership of mutual subordination. Marriage is a refining process that God will use to have us become the man and woman He wants us to become. Commitment to Christ and to each other, and there is no holding back. Marriage is a pledge for mutual, loyalty, putting the person first. Fidelity. It is a partnership of mutual subordination. I am subjecting myself so that my spouse, mom, I kailan na lom pa na lom nu zatang na to appreciation to eat mana I choose to submit myself. It is not forced submission. It is a mutual agreed submission. And marriage is a refining process that God used in defining us and making us who we are. Okay, 3 major decisions you are going to make. Okay, let's read together. Number 1 is what? To receive Christ as Lord and Savior.
To find
a good, suitable job and
to find a life partner.
Okay. How many of you have done the first one? Okay, tau pa Jesu gumpa tau pa sangkin mo. And of course, anyone who have find a good job? Oh, some of you. What kind of job is that? Is it sweeping? A very good job of sweeping. Or anyway, good job. And to find a life partner. 3 decisions, major decision na ivetuating. Number 1 is you need Christ because Christian in kwan pen Jesu to kilam hi. Jesu lovin Christian in kwan kilam teilowa ama ina iziding ipasal ding khongjong ongtel sak kisame mo. Tuay manin number 1 na Christian in kwan lam na ding in le inuntang na pen pasya na hi keile e yabe ka hi le phatuam lo ding ai manina Jesu nei ding anina nasep kichian nei ding tua ichi chiang in lai sim zong bang tan hiam zo ding tan kwa khong hi ai kele tan som khong hi grade 10 khong hi lom ngai hao ma chi pen sao tung lo ve ma oh sorry. Lo tun na ding tan som ding mo. Tua tan katun madong. Tua bang kasem ding hi tua chiang ina. And life partner ni ding mo. Tua pen again no PA. Kang no te na dot nang dong te zeli na. Eat na man true love and artificial love pen. Bang chia ki te ding yam. Chia mo. Conference like this. 米可以杀我没呗，红比红一排枪，拉红杀le，我努一啖 ，maybe this person 其实睇嘢么？OK，ตัวบังลักะ what is a genuine love and what is infatuation love? Infatuation means make up love. It is artificial love จีน่ะฮิโมตัวเป็นตอมคัดองเย็นนัวเมLet's read this side first. Let's read together. Sometimes love can blind us and make us think that it's really love. More. Infatuation love in Banggen Nuamihiam Chile. What does it mean by infatuation? Infatuation is it real or not real? Not real. It is a makeup. It is artificial. It appears as genuine, but it is not. Number 1, infatuation love it developed rapidly. ขัดเวกิมุยนะหอยสปะจีเตปอลมอหอยสปะกะซีดีไงตำก็ภาษาดีไงตำ maybe this person จิปะตัวเป็น it is a kind of infatuation love ไอ้เวมีอะหอยโลจีเป็นทุกขทีนะไอ้ยังจีดิ้งภาษาดิ้งเป็นตัว artificial love เป็นนะ infatuation love เป็นนะ it develop very fast ปอลขัดบังนิทุมของอากิมูนะอลุงซิมเต็งไปขินป่าฮิเลกิโลเมมอตัวเป็น that is one way of finding whether it is a genuine love or not มอ number one it is based on a limited characteristics that means ปวนหอยของอาศิลเบกเจียงอากิมูไอ้มันตัวมีF.B. Mayer เป็นนี่นะ don't choose your life partner with her evening dress ที่เอ็มอันนี้ตากพวนสิลโตเตลเกนสีเอ็มตัวนี้นะเกนนเป็นอามา real character อาหอยองหมูสักเต็งเบกคินอัตักตะกาจีดิ้งภาษาดิ้งเป็นอีเตลดิ้งตักเจียงนี่นะอามา limitation จงเทดิ้งstrength ในจงเทดิ้งweakness ในจงเทดิ้งตัวไอ้ที่คิดอีดเวเบลเจนอาฟิดิ้งตัวที่เราว่าอามาหอยสักอามาsupport นายขุดเบ่งดีนี่ไอ้กวยลุงดำไม่อาหารเบลตัวด้านเดียวขังโนละกะเปียงเทยมันอินตัวเกนี่อย่างมั่ว and based on emotion itself emotion is very tricky มั่ว it is like a wave coming and it just swing back ขัดไว้ไงเห็นหันไงเปียไงไอ้ยังเจียกีวิ่งเว่งจี้บังไงเลยthat is infatuation love มั่วตัวเจ้างิน it is self-centered me is important she make me happy or he make me happy ตุลายาเตกิเตน define ดิ้งฮิเลง I am trying to find a person who will make me happy oh my gosh นูไม่นี่กี่หัวอีเว่American นูไม่นี่กี่หัววินะ the type of husbands that I want is he will make me happy. He will not scold me. When I come back home, he will always say, welcome home. Then the friend said, then you better get a good dog. Dog will never scold you. When you come home, the dog will always, wave its tail. Tuay mana, tunia, kapasal ding kaziding, kayong lungdam sak ding zong chi pen, hello, ayve. Ayang hilaya infatuation la pena self-centered man someone who will make me happy chi mo ตัวchi tu hi ตัวเจียงนี่นะ it is multi-person centered จีเจียงง่ายห่าวเปียวมาnumber one choice number two choice if that doesn't work I have another one backup plan ตรงนี้ maybe number one A is the first B plan C plan maybe D plan one in Tulsa one in Atlanta oh my gosh
hello
multi-person ตัวด้านน่ะไงเป็นนี่คนเราเอาไปนะไงนี่ก้อยฉีของมีออกมาอีกตัวเตเป็นตัวเป็น infatuation นี่not only that it changed rapidly นี่ทุมิกิมุสุงาตัวนี่ทุมขอมปีในสุงาฮัลโหลนี่ทุมิกิมุสุงาไงจีตะกางไงนี่พี่เขาว่ามันได้ใหญ่แค่เข็มเสียงละมังงิลวิ่งเว่งองเท็กซ์นิงna phone number ดงเปียอินอชีนะไอ้ยังอินตุนเสียงตัวล้ำพองนอนเลยตัวเทปอลมอ it just changed rapidly and largely outward and physical. It's mostly confined na sam hoi kasa, na male hoi kasa, mo na o hoi kasa chi hong e. Tua dan dewa outward appearance lam focus luai. Inward aive a person. You need to focus on the inward character. Like siang tovin zong inward beauty ati mo. Outward beauty is important, no doubt, but much more the inward beauty is important mo. Amel hoi ma gilo ma chi hong. Oh. Tua bang hong om te man. Then if it is infatuation, it is very insecure. Midangin nga loading, kaibikin kahel ding, kuwa mato na kingay loading, tulay phone te bang kitrack te ive, apay na mo. Na, nungak te ading bang pasal kat ongay peni na, napay na tingong track kay ile. That's not a good love. Infatuation love ive tuapen, insecure ive. Again tenan, mo, nang bang again tenana nang bang hoyong sa omle tua nang zong hoy nang midangin zong ingay ding ichite nungak tang valai pen mi ito na ki holding e na zong boyfriend girlfriend hello chi chiang na ni chi ataive ahi zong tua ke ya ding big na hi chi ki khol sak lo chi khong hi thei lo we ma tua man possessive lua. That is not a genuine love. Kaya ding pasyan ni na piyak kahile, ong hindi nga, ay kaile hilaw ding iti san te na pen mo. Tua takiye. And jealous and possessive mo. Again, tenay na loy talhongin mo. Hang dong tiya ding loy hong mumel non lo ding na yung again, tena ding hak sapian tayo mo. In Kongen no pain, possessive in not happy when if you're the so-called someone whom you love is talking with someone else. Banga na genu, bang di nga sort ki holuan na yuwa. Kong phone le zong na pick up kaya bang chi na ya chi hong mo tua dana he papa jealous tua te infatuation love him mo. Okay, let's read this side that infatuation. Infatuation is an intense but short-lived passion or admiration for someone or something. It is just very intense, but it is short-lived passion. Okay, thank you. Let's come to that true love. Let's read that side. True love, pen simkhom ni ay le. True love doesn't have a happy ending. True love has no ending. It has no ending. Mo, a Pauline happy ending chiang isak le. It has no ending na hiso. Mo, true love is based on it is growing into a gradual development. Dama ong khang to to. Khang no te na ke yong dong te ye. Uncle, is it okay to fall in love? Chie. Mo. Ken kadon na pen. In fact, a genuine love, a true love is not falling in love. It is growing in love. Aive. Mo. It is not falling in love. It is growing in love. It has to grow. Mo. Tua apuk pa hoi lowe. Hello mo. Kingay na apuk suk te pol hoi lowe na ading to te hoi zoe mo. It is growing in love. To chiang based on the whole person. Based on the whole person means what? The whole person means what? Any answer? Bange. Body, mind, and soul. It really come in. It comprise of the total person na sinuami ve. Mo, ama ama hoi isak na appreciate na pen it's based on the whole person achin hoi na mi hingin hoi na kinay hoi lo na zong kinay ayang tua ting kem piwa sang siam tua ting kem piw telsa it ve chi na hi based on the whole person and number 3 isim khom tiam it focus on the person with whom you are involved. You are focusing on one person. It is not multi. Mi tampi hinon lo. Not many candidates, but only one. You focus on the person and you stay with that person. You pray with that person. And the last one is other center, not me center. Again, tenana ingay pen midang khat bang to kiteng ding hile. Kaisa nga ho izo ahi le bang yen ding hiam si le tua nakiit pi pen kaisa in pitching zoin ken nalungdam na ding de kay manin nop nasak ding de kay manin I am willing to let you go. Chi tana pal na pen genuine love eve. I will get you by any means. Chi te Paul hilo. Kidnap ding hong hilo. Hijack ding hilo. More in willing to surrender, saying nang lungdam nang hile. Tua pen genuine love eve. I love you, but I am willing you to say, okay, tua pa hiam tua nu to kiteng le chin nang adi nga nalung kim zo di nga ile chi tana tua pal na pen tak genuine love ahi na mo tua lian ma mai ina tua okay. Can we read that side first? Then we will go to this. True love is knowing a person's fault and loving them even more for them. True love says that even if you have limitation, even if you have, limitation or faults in your life, I still love you. To pen true love here. Perfect character has to be perfect. Chite Paul pen nang zong perfect lo pichin. Why demand perfection? Mo, to I man imperfect people, marriage definition pena marriage, a Christian marriage is an union of two imperfect people or two imperfect human beings loving each other in the name of Christ Jesus. Two imperfect human beings loving each other in the name of Christ. Tua imperfect people na itil mama kisam mo. Tua imanina hilaya it demonstrate a deep commitment to the person involved in total relationship and is secure, and there is also trust in security. Chiang kazi dinga hile pasien inung ko isang na dingi. Kapasal dinga hile pasien inung ko isang na dingi. Kalung kam kulo hi chi eve man. Kava hel mana kanga ding hilo. Va hel lo ding chi na hilo. Dating lo ding chi na zong hilo. Ho pi lo ding chi na zong hilo. Ayang ho pi mai. Mi hen khat pen possessive luai na tun nang bang tun an ne mo chi he. Tun an ne hin ta mo chi phone ki lew. Lup som ta mo kalai tua te Paul pen. Insecurity la hisam lo mo. Tua bang se zen na possessive pen ama insecure ai vetuate. A secure te in bill kei namuan huainingin I will be trustworthy, I will be faithful, and I hope you will be faithful. And I'm going to, trust you. I'm not going to track you. Nang ma tua freedom again. Nang pasian zatang na hina to kenong muang ngam ding kahi
ตัว level อีกก็อีก level that is a genuine love ไอ้เว้ตัวมันอี Christian love เป็นตัวด้านtrust and faith in the person มั้งโอเคI think three kinds of love. Can you read that one? Is it possible to read that side? I love for all that you are and all that you have been and all that you are going to be. I love you for all that you are and all that you have been and all that you are going to be. That's past tense, present tense, and future tense. Nahi na bang bangin kong iti achinwa mi mo. Kana love if he pen Josh McDowell laibu pa nakalaki na Josh McDowell ina sex lovers and other kinds of sex love and other kinds of lovers. Chi laibu Josh McDowell in agil na pa nakalaki na. Kana love if chi. Love if condition pen, you will do, you will agree with me if you love me. If you love me, love if pen. Supposing you will come and meet me in the hotel if you love me. You will respond to my, my text if you love me. You will allow me to kiss you if you love me. You will allow me to hold your hand if you love me. If vive tokipan. Ay mana, that is love if ma. Love it genuine lo ay vetuate. Tak zo lo. Bangang yam chile a if kingay man nong it le. Chieve. Nong it le. Tuachi nong chi dingi. Nong it le chi pen love if ayve. Hang no la katam luay. Tulay ta ka tua any nation hila hite pol tam luay. Love if pen. Pol khate ading banga nong ngai le. Na ino nong giak sak dingi chi khong sa om te ye. Ma tua be kilo. Nakhut kong zun nuwa mi chin. Akhut zutin akhut ben a boundary khang to sang nuwa me. Tua dana eat na pen mo love if he. That even in genuine love, we may still use the word sometimes if, and yet genuine akizat na pena much more deeper. We are not depending on if you love me hinon lo. If you love me te pol pen nidanga no khang hinon lo. In the 60s or 70s, it is called puppy love. Puppy love. We know ki na bang. We know pen mo samin la samle chin nong payina alu khong zut sak le chin a mei payina ong liak na khut khong liak di nge ayang kiu le chin mo kiu khale chin tai wing wingina sam ki le chin nong pai non lo ve. And that is called puppy love mo. Ama ki bol tom, that is called if love. A second pena love because hina. I love you because you are very smart. Chi khong. Smart non ki le ngai non lo ding le kilo me mo. I love you because again tenan of your hairstyle. Chi bang hile. A hair ting be dik dik tai chi ngai non lo ding e. Tuai mana I love you because you are from a rich family chile. Oh, azing chiang a thai chiang stock a avekin loss le. I don't love you anymore. Chi zong om te ye. Ma tuai man love because pen genuine zo lo eve. The love anyway pen anyhow pen. I am going to love you anyway, whether you make mistake whether you have these shortcomings I love you because of who you are นังนาหีนากงอีทีมตัว anyway anyhow ตัวตั้งมีน้อง accept เลยอีนักตักหีกิเชียเวมอีกเฮลเจียงเบลเอาอีเป็นต่างวาลขัดินสิงต่างกมาต่างวาลขัดินนุงขัดเกียงตูซันวัตถุสับไลเกียงอีกมุดเหยเดียมสิที่หูปีนัวเมตัวนู้จงนี่ตากตัววัตถุสับไลเกียงว่าไปยินะวัตถุต่างวาลปาจงนารวัสลมาไม่เชียงน้องไปกะลุงดามินะเกินองอีดลัวจงจิโลวินะดูกุมบุบังซานั่นนี่ว่าบัดเชียข้างโน้ตเตียดิ้งเบลมันขักเกนิจินอย่างปีจริงเดียวเตียดิ้งเบลหนุ่ยสักหวยมาไหมกงไอกงอีที่ตัวอีมุทุนาน้องไปกะลุงดามิจงจิโลวินบุบังซานั่นนี่ว่าจิขายมั้งตัวนี้ไอ้เกนนเป็น love anyway anyhow เป็นมา whole characteristic ต่อหอยนาเล a strength and a weakness ต่อ it come เว except เวที่ไหนไหมบ้างอีกที่เต็นส์ของเชียงอีเมลส่งหอยโหลซะเดี๋ยวดีไงมันก็กุมสอมทุ่มเล็กกว่ากิเตงที่ตายนะดิมนูต่อก็กิเตนalmost 40 มั้งwe are going to hit 40 next year and I'm going to be 70 next year so ตัวมันand I still love her มั้ง and I love her the most so every day I used to say Nisima kongiti nang to kakiten khak lung dami chie ken aman jong lung dami yong chie mo ken jong ong yi ting chi ama bel practical zoe ke ya pen akam paupu he chiang pau we paupu na pau he chiang ke bel again lam tam si zo ama pen accept lam tam si zo mo ina love anyhow anyway pena I love you because of who you are whether you dress on Sunday dress or Monday dress doesn't matter more whether your hair is long or short doesn't matter ปอลคัตเตกะซีดิงเป็นสำสาวฮิเตดิงจี้ของสำเต็นปีโซมิเลกิโลเมตรมอตัวอามีอย่างไงดิงี้มอามีอย่างไงดิงี้โอเคปอลคัตเตนะดดนางดดเทเป็นบังหุนาอีดนาเป็นบังหุนากิเกนดิ้งยำชีเกนเทียนะ I used to say 3 stages in finding life partner มั้งMatthew chapter 7 verse 7 Jesus said ask and what it shall be given unto you and seek and you will find thank you and knock and it will be open unto you เฮ้ยวลายเตเซียเมลายเสียงโทวลายนี่วลาย 1 2 3 the fourth row อมเวยลอมเตนี่โอเคnumber one asking stage โอ้ไม่เว asking stage เงียดหุนเงียดหุนเป็นกุมบังซาปนะบังตันเงียดดีไงตานายเนี่ย okay from now on till you find the right person Mom from Atlanta from the conference in Atlanta till you find the right person ตัวเป็นงัดเงียดหุนไหนเวเงียดหุนนี่ที่เป็นตางปีย student life สูงของฮิตเฮม KK pen 75 a grade 10 kai ve in grade 10 kasim la hi na zo ka zo chianga ken tua pana I need to pray for my future wife here dim nu thei lo ko kho kha thi lo ki mu ngei lo kazi ding pen thu na ngen nge ne tuai mana asking stage pe na I start praying and pray zanin kongen kha in kathia I pray 10 years more kum som thu nge ne and nang na gen no mia tun ha pa yo le
It's always a joy for me to share about how we met, how God led us to each other. As a younger, I always dreamed of finding a godly person as my husband and to have a Christian family. You know, I always long for my children to grow up with a healthy atmosphere because I never had that as I wanted to. So there was always a longing, a desire. And so, you know, God, it's very surprising that God always, you know, fulfill our desire. So after grade 10, that was the first time when I was in Bible school, I heard about, you know, about have you ever prayed for your life partner? And so they started sharing about the need because God brought Eve to Adam. So God was the first matchmaker. And God knows the best person who will be suited for you. And as a believer, as a child of God, we need to pray, Lord, help me and lead me to the right person who will be my life partner. So I prayed for 5 years. And the first time I prayed, and as I prayed deeper, and before praying, I had a boyfriend. Okay? Before knowing that I have to pray for my life partner. And I love him very much. But as I prayed deeper, God led me to have a burden saying that God wanted me. I started having a burden to be a wife of a pastor. But my boyfriend is not a pastor. And so I knew that he is not the person for me. I did not have peace of mind, but I didn't want to let go. I didn't want to release my boyfriend. So I said, Lord, make him to be the person for me. You know, I thought in this world, I will not find anyone better than him. You know, that's how I felt. I didn't want to release him. So because I did not obey God's way, I felt as if my prayer reached till the ceiling and bounced back. Do you feel like that sometimes? You pray, but it doesn't go through. So I felt like that. And I said, as a child of God, Lord, I don't want to continue like that, you know, having had my prayer not going through to him. So I said, Lord, let me know your will. And God seems to be whispering to me in my heart, you know my will. Will you choose him or will you choose me? Very difficult decision. Then I said, Lord, I will choose you. So with tears in my eyes, I wrote a letter. You know, that time we don't have text, we don't have mobile. So I wrote a letter to him saying that it's not that I don't love you, but because God has given me a burden to marry a pastor. I don't know who he is yet, but in obedience to God, I'm releasing you. I'm saying bye to you. You know that from then on, God started speaking to me. I had a good relationship with God, starting praying for a life partner. That was in the 80s. In the 80s, all of you were not born. In the 80s, the few pastors that we know were carrying in my hometown, India, the few pastors that I know or evangelists that I know carry a black umbrella, have a big umbrella, a shoulder bag, and they will be traveling around. And so I said, Lord, if you want me to marry a pastor, I want a pastor who is more educated than me, someone that I can respect, and a man of God. He should be a man of God. And that was my prayer that I wrote to God. I will obey you, but let him be a man of God. Not just any pastor, and also a good preacher, a teacher, and also a manly voice. You know, I wrote all that, the type of husband that I want, I wrote all that. And you know, you'll be surprised. Sometimes, most of the time, God fulfills even our desire. So he has a manly voice. And he's a good preacher to me. And, you know, I used to say to young people, our marriage is not perfect. We have flaws, but we learn to love one another and forgive one another. And so it's like heaven on earth. You can experience heaven on earth in your Christian marriage if you let God lead and direct you. If you surrender yourself to God. That is what we are experiencing, and we want young people to experience the same. And that's why we are sharing, you know, about youth and romance and how you can find God's will in your life. And so I would often say to young people, if I were young again and have to choose my life partner, I will still choose Paupu. And I mean it from my heart. And we had 2 sons. They were growing up. Both of them are married now. I said, okay, next to Jesus, don't make a mistake in your marriage. Because it's a lifelong commitment. Christian marriage is a lifelong commitment. If you make a mistake in choosing a job, you can change again. But it's a lifelong commitment through Christian marriage, so don't make a mistake. And so we have been praying and journeying with our sons for their life partner. And today we are very happy we have 2 wonderful daughters. 2 wonderful daughters, and we love them. And both of them have godly characters. And we are very, very happy. So this can happen to you young people. Don't rush into marriage. Don't rush into romance. And seek God's will. God will give you the best. And the type of husband that I want, the character. You know, Ruth Bell Graham, Billy Graham's wife, said, he should have a godly character. And, you know, when I come, I will know that here is a man that I have been praying for so many years. So, wish you God's blessing, okay? Wish you God's blessing that you will seek God's will, and one day you will be able to say, God has given me the best person. It doesn't mean a perfect person, the best person that God has. So the marriage, the 30 book of letters, we will just hand over to Lunu. Can you just stand up? Just let him. If anyone wants to see, we don't have other copy. You can just browse around till Sunday, till tomorrow, and hand it back to us again. Thank you.
Thank you. There is that asking stage and there is seeking stage as when you have a job or you are in a position for getting married, a seeking stage. And the knocking stage is like you send your mommy or daddy or relatives with teapot. With the teapot, they go to the girl's house and knock at their door. Okay. There is 3 stages more. Tuai mana asking stage kum som ken zang kai ve mo. And seeking stage is very short because I actually prayed, and so the seeking stage come very fast in my life because I don't have time for dating anyone. I said, Lord, bring the person to me. Thu ghé na pai cái xiang à, ken qua mà hel man ngei lo. Cả thu ghé ding ting big to buai cái mà na, pasien kia nga, cái gì ding na ung tel sakin la, cái ki mu na ngu zong ball sakin. Tua home pia ki mu mà to min tua chiang a knocking stage come. Quickly we'll run through. There is a question on why wait. Can we read that this side first? Let's read together this side. Waiting is a sign of true love and patience. Anyone can say I love you, but not everyone can wait and prove it's true. Anyone can say I love you, but they will not like to wait. Why wait? Pena, wait for true love. True love is gradually developing. Tuahanga, real love pen, it may increase, but it doesn't increase, bounce, and it doesn't fluctuate like that. Tuaimana, true love, wait for true love. And secondly, what? Can you read the second point? Yeah, wait till you know each other well. Don't try to marry someone whom you do not know. Paul khatin anu apa zong thailo pia ten pi som chi bango mai ve. And these days, especially in America, they bring their boyfriend or girlfriend and say to their mother or father, he is my or she is my. Tuadana ki introducing nule pa khong to ki thailo za na ki ten ding pen to inungak te jong tun mi kang te no ngai ding hi na mo zomi nungak zomi kang te no ong I ding hi na anu apa bek thei so mun mo tua lawa ama na ngai mana na ki ten pi so mu le I family dana build up ki sam ve ve ai man mi kang te in tuan mai ayang anu apa te na kitel ding de we mo tuai man wait till you know each other well. Paul khatin kitelo pia kiteng sugop in buai na hao ma mo. And number 3 pen hilam te nong sim diu le this section, this number 3. Wait till he or she is born again Christian. Achinwami ve. You are not going to marry someone who is not born again. Pasian telo, pasian na nung talo. Tuahanga ong it khat pe om le zong nang mi piang thang na hi le nang pasian to pa Jesu na sang ta hiam nang ma pasian na nung ta na hiam chi idot ding ki sam mo. And then the last one, wait till having a decent job. A criteria lian ma khat pen in khong ai kele ine ke tak ding khong a sai nuam ding hi man nu pa in kwana ikiwang na ding khop a how hi china hi lo ikiwang na ding khop family ki pan na ding khop bang hiam anei tua pen ki sam hi chinuami a zo ding hi ta hange I hun Hilam simki lai ni mo. Can I ask you, the senior ones, to read this section? It's worth waiting for. Mo. God's timing is the best timing. Wait for parents' blessing. Nule pate phal ngakin kichieve. Mi khen khat pen nule paten wait nangak potin approver dimnu bang kapa thupa ka dei chi na man nga ke mo tua dana parents approver tua dei na wait till you have prayed about it thungen na nanei a hun khop tak nanei hun tua chiang in wait till you know God's will hunom hile ken God's will ka thei dan jong gen no me ayang I hun kino dinga imanina God's will pen thei hi bang chia ki thei ding you will have peace of mind. You will have peace of mind. It is not struggling mind. It is something that says that okay, I can accept, I am happy, I'm content with that person. Pasian ina tua peace of mind, lung no pi thian na khat ong piak pen. That is very much from God. Pasian in ong piak hi na is na nga. I am going to run through this. Psalm 37 pena. Finding God's will takes like trust in God, delight in God, commit yourselves to God, and wait for the right timing, and God will give you the best. There is hope. More, there is hope. Tunina, God's timing is the best timing. Can we also read that side? Worrying doesn't change anything, but trusting God changes everything. Worrying doesn't change anything, but trusting God changes everything. Trust. Yeah, a second point pen ongen ningin Zomi na. Ray Aker, India Operation Mobilization OM kichite makai pi pa pen British te he Ray Aker. He become an Indian citizen now. British citizen pen surrender in India ong te ngay tave. Ray Aker is a good preacher. Amana azizon azi hom pi te nga numei hoi kasak kong kaho pi zel cheve mazong. Ama British te hin India missionary ang paya hi chianga. India hom pi konga numei committed amute kaziding hitante chin kaho pi zel hi chi. Ayang 3 years, 5 years, no success. Mo, ano may ding takman halowe. Amana, zing sang meditation kanina, delight yourself in the Lord. Verse 4 pena, delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desire of your heart. Tua kasimle, tua katheile. Then now I find the key for finding life partner chive. Pasia na lung damin, lung kimin, tua hile na lung tang de na umpe dingi chin. Tau pa tunga kin zizonga kavak suvak to pen. O tau pa nang tunga kalung kim tamo. Lung dam mamay. Nong piak le kalung dam. Nong piak kele zong kalung dam. Chia kakingak le. A next programa kaziding kamutie. Ina kitenge. Ama British tehin, ama India tunteng swak tay. Kung gen no pen, akihat o may pasian kamal pen. Pasian tunga lungdamin, tuahile na lungtang de na ang pedingi siya imanin. Tau pay na, manuntang na siya ta, ahoy, pen. Will God give you the second best? God always give the best. Ma. But if I choose myself, it may not be the best. But God always gives the best. And God will give you the best when you pray, when you seek His will, and when you know the right time to approach. Okay. Ivekin ding hom ni mo. Let's all stand up. Any quick announcement before I pray? Oh, man sai ding tuang en ning ele tuang en ni na man sai ding ilaya. We are going to take picture mo. Tuang en nang nei ning papasian leitung nun tang na adamama beka om ding hoi kei achi pasian ina. Dunia hilayang pai khang no te right person, right partner amu the na ding una. Nang to zong khom, nang to nung ta khom, nungak tang wal te hisakin la. Amabanwa in kwan lam na di nga zong family build up na nga nang maina makayin nang man gwal zo piin nang ma happy na to tu sing lam kawai khem piu nong zo pi man lungdam kong ko vu hi